Cynthia Onyango, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Abisas mag thieth e kaunti ya Bungoma obwogo mar koso dok e tich nyaka dwachgi mane gichiwo na jandik gi tich ma kaunti ya Bungoma chop kare ka oriwo goyo sign e winjruok margi kachiel kod ndiko apisas ma ondiki kuom kinde. Ka giloso bang' chano ng'anyo mar kwe, jolony mag thieth okoni sirikand kaunti okosebedo kadeo ywakgi ka koro gikoni ok gibi dok e tich nyaka chop dwachgi. Gimedo ni wachno nochopi e romo mar governors magiwacho ni kaunti ya Bungoma en achiel kuom counties mapok ochopo e winjruok magiseo Governor Ken Lusaka kuom koso chopo dwachgi.
We have six agenda issues to be discussed with them, but they have not invited us formally for a discussion. So our members are out, they are not in work across the county. And today we are exercising the Constitution of Kenya about freedom to picket, to strike, and to demonstrate that we are uncomfortable with the actions of the employer, Bungoma County.
The employer has not actually addressed our issues. The issue that have made us to be here, one is the failure to the government to actually implement the agreed documents. Sometimes in December last year, we had an industrial action that we signed a return to work formula late January. Until then, the employer has not agreed or has not implemented the issues that we agreed in.
Kwamba lazima kuna watu hawafanye kazi inayofaa katika hizi wizara, na hebu jaribu kufuatilia. Tunakuja county assembly na tunakuja wasilisha pendekezo letu kwamba washurutishe wanaohusika kuhakikisha kwamba pesa inapatikana ndio wananchi waweze kupata huduma inayofaa.
Zingatieni haya matakwa matano ambayo tumeshayazungumzia kinagaubaga, yafanya ya kuwe sawa.